Hello everyone, this is Arunian. In this video, we are going to see how to update GST rates for multiple stock items at once in Tally ERP 9 using our Excel tool. This tool can be used for Tally Prime also. We shall now navigate to GST rate setup in Tally to see the existing GST rates of our sample Tally data. We have both 12% and 28% GST rate, which we are going to see how it can be updated to 5% and 18% through our Excel tool. Now we shall navigate to stock item master list in Tally so that we can export them in XML. I have already exported and kept them in a folder for this video purpose. Before making any update, please take a backup of your Tally data. Now, we shall download our Excel tool, Easy Tally Toolkit from our website macrolix.com. We need to extract the zip file by providing the password, which is given in the download page and also in the zip file name, which is nothing but Macrolix in lowercase. We need to enable macros to use our Excel tools. We have given detailed instructions on how to enable macros. In our case, we shall just click on Enable Content to enable macros. This step may differ for each PC, so please refer the instructions to enable macros. As of now, we have 3 tool functions within this toolkit and we shall add more in future based on our users' feedback. Please ensure that you have an active subscription and license is activated for the PC. If not, refer the FAQ, a PDF file which comes along with the tool to see how to get the subscription and how to activate license. For updating stock items for GST rate revision, click Open against Add New GST Rate. In this sheet, we have given detailed steps on how to use this tool. You may refer this once in detail. This is the data sheet where stock items shall be loaded and we shall update the GST rates. You can click on View or Hide Advanced Columns to see more columns which we can use for filtering purposes. Now we shall import the XML we just exported from Tally to load the stock items to our tool. You can see that our sample stock items have been imported to the tool. You can filter them like a regular Excel data. This option is not available in Tally ERP 9 or Tally Prime in GST rate setup. For this video, we are now revising the GST rates, which are currently 12% and 28%. So we shall filter accordingly and add the details to new GST rate column group. We shall fill applicable from date, which is the effective date of GST rate revision. For this tutorial video purpose, we are just giving basic details. You may update other fields also as per your requirements. Once we are done filling the updated GST rates, we shall now move to the main sheet and click on Generate XML. First, you need to select the XML file which we had used to load the stock items to the tool, and then we need to provide the XML file name and path for the new XML file which would be updating the GST rates for our stock items. Since we had only 50 sample stock items, it had processed immediately. It may take more time if the number of stock items are more. We can copy the path of the generated XML file from the pop-up box. Now we shall head to Tally and import the generated XML. In the import treatment or behavior, select modify with new data. The XML got imported. We shall head back to GST rate setup and see how this import has affected our stock items. Now you can see there are no 12% or 28% tax rates. Let me open a stock item master which has been updated. We shall check the tax rate history. Here we can see there are two entries, one before rate revision and the one after rate revision. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments or text us in WhatsApp or email us for our support. Thank you so much.